Hi, I just received my new TV from the Insiders US. It's a marketing group and they wanted me to check it out. It's a Samsung 55-inch QLED TV, a K4, which should be a more advanced model than the K2 I'm using right now. So I was just going to open the box and see what we have inside. Alright. I guess that's part of the stand. Alright, styrofoam. One connect. I think this is where all the plugs go. So all the plugs aren't in the back of the TV, the way I understand it. I guess more part of the stand. Wow, this TV is super thin, and it looks like it's about an inch thick, even at the thickest part. So there you have it. That's what's in the box, and I guess I'll get it hooked up and visit with y'all later.